Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into your phone. Now, I do want to clarify before I get started, if you're in US, you don't have a physical tray. If you're in Europe, you do. So for the people in US, you need to navigate, I believe it's in the settings, and it's going to be most likely mobile services, set up mobile services, and you can then just add a eSIM. But I do have a SIM card tray, so that's what I'm going to utilize. So let's just take off the case off of the device. And the tray is located on the bottom left side of the device. So you'll need a tool for this, like I have one right here. You want to push it in. You can see that the tray pops out enough for you to just pull it out. On the tray you have space for just a single SIM card, but the phone is not limited just to a one SIM. You can have two different numbers in here. The second one would be through eSIM. And also, if you're in US, the phone supports two eSIMs instead of one. So anyway, once we insert our card, it should start working right away. Let's just quickly check. There we go. So it's telling me to enter the SIM card pin, so I'm going to do that. And obviously that unlocks my SIM card, and it's now ready to be used. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.